Hi everyone, welcome back to part 3 and the final video of fractions, and we're looking at why fractions matter. Fractions are used in everyday life and in different situations. So if we look at measuring ingredients, fractions will tend to help us measure things like sugar, flour, other ingredients in different amounts. Now here are some examples that are common fractions that we could use in baking, cooking, and any type of cooking in the kitchen. 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 of a sugar, and 3/4 of a cups of sugar. This will help us to get the recipe accurate, but it will also help us to learn fractions along the way. So today we have learned that fractions are parts of whole, and they help us to share, divide, and measure. Whether it may be pizza, time, or ingredients, fractions are everywhere. Remember, a fraction has a numerator and denominator, and they tell us how the whole is divided. Great job, everyone. Now go out there and see how many fractions you can find in everyday life.